So how can you delete the overlay in a Capcut on your iPad? Let's get started. If you are brand new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, on your iPad, naturally, inside of the Capcut, you can select the clip and click on the overlay to make it go on the top of your background layer, right? So you can obviously work with that. And once you have it like this, you can click on the overlay, which is technically at the bottom because, in the timeline, you have like the background clip closer to the top, and then the overlay, which is on the top of your video, is like placed below on the timeline, right? So this is like the actual overlay that we are working with. But anyways, you can select it like that and then tap on the trash icon to make it go like be removed and disappear, right? However, if you just work with some other effects on a Capcut, the overlay might kind of disappear like this, leaving us only with just apparently just one layer. And in order to make the overlay appear, we have to click on this like little icon in the top left like that, and this will make the overlay appear, right? So it kind of gets hidden away for you to work easier with some other effects. But if you want to bring it back or make it reappear, this is how you can click it, and then of course select it and just tap on the trash icon to delete it or apply some other effects. So let me know in the comments below if we managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and stick until the end. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.